If you've been waiting for a 3D printer that finally bridges the gap between high-speed performance and professional-grade, multicolor creativity, your wait is officially over. The Creality K2 Plus Combo is an absolute monster of a machine, designed for creators who are ready to stop tinkering and start producing stunning, complex, multi-material prints right out of the box. The headline feature here is the all-new CFS Color Filament System. This takes the headache out of multicolor printing, automating the filament switching process so you can bring vibrant, multi-layer designs to life without the constant manual interventions that used to haunt this hobby. But the K2 Plus isn't just about color, it's about sheer, high-octane production, massive build volume. With a 350 by 350 by 350 millimeters workspace, you have enough room to print large-scale functional prototypes, full-sized helmets, or sprawling architectural models in one go, without the need to cut and glue your designs together. Blistering speed, operating at up to 600 millimeters per second. This printer turns what used to be a multi-day print into a rapid, overnight turnaround, all while maintaining incredible structural integrity and detail. Dual AI cameras. You get total peace of mind with 2 onboard AI cameras. They don't just watch your print. They actively monitor for failures, spaghetti blobs, and layer shifts, giving you the confidence to leave the machine running while you're away. Full auto precision. Say goodbye to the frustrations of a bad first layer. With fully automatic leveling and a next-gen direct drive extruder, the K2 Plus handles the calibration and feed consistency for you, ensuring every print sticks perfectly every single time. This machine is built for the power user. Whether you are launching a product line, creating intricate cosplay pieces, or just tired of the limitations of smaller, slower printers, the K2 Plus is the upgrade that changes your entire workflow. It's smart, it's fast, and it's built to handle the biggest ideas you can come up with. If you are ready to take your 3D printing to a professional level and stop compromising on scale or color, you can find the best price for the Creality K2 Plus Combo by clicking the link below.